If you have to translate very often text on your Mac, then you can use the System app for translation. But there's a little problem. I will show you. Just highlight some text, make a right click and choose Translate. And then a window will pop up and it will automatically recognize the language, and you can choose the language to translate. That's okay. And then I can choose Replace with Translation. But as you can see, the line breaks are gone. Because of that, I use a shortcut which is a little bit better and faster. Highlight the text and hit Ctrl-Options-Command-T, and the shortcut will automatically translate it and replace your text with the translation. And how you can get this shortcut, I will show you step by step in this video. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts. There you will find on the top right corner a plus button to create a new shortcut. Click into the title to name your shortcut, for example, Translator. Hit Return. Now we have to enable the highlighted text for our shortcut. For that, switch to the Info menu on the top right corner. There you have to enable Use as Quick Action. You also can add a keyboard shortcut. Click on Add Keyboard Shortcut and hit the keys you need. For example, Ctrl-Options-Command-T for translation. Then click on the left side on Apps and 18 More. Here, disable everything and just enable text and rich text. Now we have to replace all our line breaks in our text to add them later again, because the action for translation do something weird with it. Open the Actions menu on the top right corner. Here you have to search for text, double click on this action text and then click into this text. Here hit Return to make a line break, and now we have to replace this line break in our highlighted text. For that, you will find on the right side the action Replace Text. Double click on it. Here you have to make a right click into Hello and choose the variable text. This is the line break, and we want to replace the line break with an identifier. For example, 3 times the dollar, and not in the text. We want to replace it in our highlighted text. For that, make a right click on this last variable text and switch it to Shortcut Input. That's really important. Now it will replace the line breaks with $, in our shortcut input. And now we want to translate this text. Search on the right side for Translate and choose the action Translate Text. Make a double click on it, and here you can define the language or detect automatically the language. I will leave it like this. Now we have to add our line breaks again. For that, search on the right side for Replace Text and double click on the action Replace Text. Here you have to click into Hello and type $, and make a right click into this world and choose Text. This is our line break. Now we added the line breaks to our translated text again, and we can return our translated text. For that, switch to the Info menu and enable Provide Output. Now the shortcut is ready and we can try it out. Open some text, for example in the notes, highlight the text and hit the keys you defined, for example Ctrl-Options-Command-T. And there it is. If you like Apple shortcuts like this, then hit the like button and subscribe, because on my channel you get many more shortcuts. And if you want more than more shortcuts and support my work here on YouTube, then follow me on Patreon. There you can download every shortcut and much more. And now watch this video where I will show you how you can automatically get reminders from calendar events. See you next time. Bye bye.